Hey, it's me. Hey guys, it is me, and I'm a total liar because I said that I would upload like once a week, and it's been a little over 2 years. So here I am, and I am back. This is always just like that little side passion that I have. So if you guys are new here, the best place to follow me is on Instagram. It's Alexx Alex with 2 X's. It's not Alexa. It's not Alexacore, it's Alexx. So if you guys want to go and follow me over on Instagram, that's where I'm the most active. I'm always...
You have no numbers listed for Alexx. Do you know their phone number?
All right, so before I go into the specific prompts or poses that we are going to talk about, I want to tell you that when it comes to specifically romantic poses, but not just romantic, it can also be the fun ones, your comfort level of the couple is going to start way before your session ever occurs. Way before your session ever occurs. And so client experience is something that is so important. Actually, Dawn Photo just released her whole guide and course on client experience. If you haven't checked it out, go check it out. So I will say this, when it comes to romantic poses, please know your couple's love languages. And I think that that is so important because you can understand, as the photographer giving the instructions, you can understand the kind of things that people do or don't like. If you know that physical touch is the very least important for your groom, bride, whoever it may be, if you know that, then you're probably not going to put them in as intimate of poses because that's just not their love language. But you will learn. You learn so much. So okay, I could go on forever about love languages and client experience and all of that kind of stuff, but let's just say ideal setting, clients are comfortable in front of the camera, and these are some of my absolute favorite poses of all time. So the first one is going to be the classic forehead to forehead. So this one is something that you guys probably all already know. However, I want to show you a variety of images that I can get from this one pose. So I'll prompt them to go forehead to forehead, and if they're really comfortable in front of my camera, then I'll say, just breathe each other in. Just breathe each other in and just close your eyes and just relax. And usually that will get me some of the most beautiful images just ever. All right, the second one is holding the other from behind. So these aren't really prompts because I feel like all of the fun prompts have names like the drunk walk or the booty bump or whatever. I don't have any cute names for these, so I apologize. So say for example, I have a bride and a groom. So you're gonna instruct the bride to stand in front of the groom with her back to his chest. And then you're gonna have him wrap his arms around her. And there's 2 different ways that I like to do this. I like to have one, his arms coming around her chest, like the top of her chest. Make sure hands are not like grabbing stuff. That's gonna be a little distracting. But have him grab around and hold onto his elbows, and she will grab onto his arms like this. And then turn her face and cuddle into him, and he's gonna be just right here, right by her cheek. And you can have them both close their eyes, because usually if they're that close, like your eyes are not even gonna focus on each other anyway, so it's just gonna be a headache. So have them close their eyes and just be nice and close. And then you can even have them like sway and get some beautiful movement. There's so much that you can do with just that. All right, so the third prompt is the almost kiss. So this one kind of has a name, and it's just like what it sounds like. It's an almost kiss. It's not puckering, it's not quite there, but it's this very, very close kiss, and it's going to, I don't know, this one always brings out a lot of emotion in me because it's just, a kiss is so intimate. For some people it doesn't mean anything, but for a lot of people it's something intimate that you're sharing with somebody who you genuinely have a deeper connection with. And watching your couples kind of just spend a moment being that close to each other but not quite kissing, it's really, really beautiful. So a couple things, I will tell them not to pucker their lips unless their lips are touching. And number 2, I will tell them to not smile. You can have them smile, and a lot of times that can fall into the playful prompts, but I will ask them not to smile, but just to like slowly breathe each other's breath in as they are like getting nice and close. And generally I will ask one to grab the chin. If I have a bride and groom, again, I will ask the bride to lift up her chin and the groom to grab the bottom of her chin just softly. It's just so beautiful and so romantic, and it gives me all the butterflies in my stomach. I truly love just something so simple like this. All right, so the fourth prompt that I like to do is just have my couples romantically walking together. Usually I will have one walking in front of the other. Sometimes I'll tell them to look at each other, look away from each other, all of that, but just get them walking together. Generally, I like to set up the scenery so that I can see everything that's going on and kind of have this whole story to tell. So I will get usually a far away shot like this, and then I will also get some very close-ups like this. So the fifth prompt is going to also be from Kauai, but I wanted to show you guys this one just because it really is a romantic, more intimate pose. What I had them do is he stood behind her and I had him kiss her shoulder and kind of kiss like on her neck and her cheek. And again, kisses for some people are not intimate, for a lot of people they are. And for me, these are some of like the most intimate, personal, close images ever. They just feel so, you can just feel how much love is there. And that is it, you guys. Those are my 5 top romantic prompts. So I'm grateful that you're here, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.